Kelly, and I'm back with another layout, and I'm using up some of the remnants of my January Best of Both Worlds kit here from Enamel. I did buy quite a few of these papers, but I didn't have enough. Like, I'm having to combine stuff from my stash now, papers from my stash now, which is fine. That just makes me use up even more. So from the kit, I have that house paper, which is a Simple Stories quarantined staying at home paper. And then I'm liking that aqua piece behind the photograph as another matte. We'll kind of play with that. Then I have a square of yellow, or that rectangle of yellow, which I'm going to make into a shorter rectangle. And then another one of blue that I'm going to make the same size. And I believe those are 10 inches, if I remember correctly. 10 inches wide. So I end up with a 10-inch square of the yellow and blue combined. The yellow paper is Simple Stories Say Cheese Main Street, and it's the yellow dots paper. And then that navy circle paper is Amy Tangerine Hustlin' Heart, and it's the Oh So Lovely paper. And then I put that on a background, a red background from Recollections, which is Michael's brand, and it's the the Red Squares paper. So I did like the aqua, but I didn't have enough of it. I thought I needed a full piece to frame it, just because the house paper is very busy behind. So I went and searched, and I found this Doodlebug Petite Prince dot stripe, and I don't know what color it is. I just know that's the pattern. I don't remember. All right, so I'm going to add that in there. And I'm really loving how this looks. I had seen another layout where they did kind of a different, like that center square was really towards the bottom of a layout, and it had like 3 different patterns. And so I wanted to do a play on that, and that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going to call this layout, I wanted to call it Morning Snuggles, but I wasn't sure if it was going to fit. I'm going to have to MacGyver an L here. But I'm using a fairly thin alphabet. It's the Amy Tangerine Thickers Memento. And because they're so thin, I actually am going to be able to get the word morning in here as well. So I'll just get that added in. It'll take me just a minute. It's hard to see it on camera, but once it goes up on the yellow and in person, there we go. Really easy to read. Now, I'm going through and doing this, and I didn't want to take the whole thing off to put the word morning in front, but I forgot that I needed to start with the word morning until I get the whole darn thing down. Watch this. That's the way it goes sometimes. Just so you don't think, and magic of editing, I still left it in here instead of just making it go away. Just so you can see that no, YouTubers are not perfect. We just know how to edit our things. So there we go. This is where I discover, oh man, I started off the wrong way. So I'm going to come back in now and get the title correct. I just love this house paper. So this is a picture of my daughter-in-law and the grandkids all snuggling in the morning. Daddy's taking the picture. One Saturday morning or something like that. I don't remember exactly what day it was, but one of the weekend days. And I just thought it was cute, and it shows their family room, playroom. They've got a circus tent up there. Sometimes they have an entire bounce house in this room. Hello, quarantine. You have to keep 4 kids busy, right? Okay, so now I'm kind of looking at what kinds of things can I use on this layout. My ephemera that I had in this kit was the Vicky Booten Storyteller, and that would not have worked on this. So I went to Enamel's #sticker book, and I found quite a bit to be able to use in this book, which made me happy because I've had it a long time. Now, I don't like the clear stickers or the the transparent stickers. So when I want to use those now, I just put them on a white piece of cardstock and cut them out. I really liked that hello, but I couldn't I didn't want the yellow on the yellow, so I went and grabbed an EK Success scallop punch, and now I can make kind of a little cluster with those scallop circles. And then I used the back of the house paper, which is the Simple Stories Quarantine Staying at Home paper, to make the scallop circle. So now I've used up all that paper. So there's some paper used up in my kit. And I think after I finished this one and another one that you'll see in a couple of weeks, I think I have 2 layouts left. I've looked at the paper and kind of put 4 sheets of paper together to decide what I'm going to do. I'll probably have to add more to it, but then this will be done. All right, so I'm going to add 1 more. I kind of wanted 3, so I was glad I was able to do that. I just need to figure out clusters. So again, this is all from the hashtag sticker book. I'm going to struggle with this one a little bit here, though, because I chose kind of that love square. I love this. They love each other. I thought it was completely appropriate. So I chose a little coffee cup on the top left, besides that hello, and then added a tag and a little word bubble that says super. Now I'm using these stars, but they just don't look right to me. I don't know, they feel too disjointed, I guess. So I was having a hard time deciding what to do there. Playing with using hexagons or circles. I'll sometimes tuck those under. That wasn't working very well for me. Adding some stars in, it just still doesn't, that cluster doesn't look right. And then I see these flowers and I think, oh, I did kind of think that actually. That sounded funny, but I did. And I found this purple and aqua one, and I thought that was nice because it plays on the aqua that's in the top title. So you get that darker aqua, and it's also in, I think you can see, you can see one of the houses still there on the top of the house paper where you can see that aqua one. So that worked pretty well. So I'm much happier with the way that looks. Okay, so then I'm going to add in some Altenew enamel dots. They are the Seashore enamel dots. And boy, a ton of them comes in these packages. They're a little bit more expensive, but you get so many. And these are the more kind of green aqua color versus the more blue. So I thought that was nice that I have that because I use a lot of that. Now I'm just grabbing my twine here. This is the Paper Studio twine, which is from Hobby Lobby. It comes like in a huge pack of different colors. So tying that into the tag there. And I'm really loving how this one came out. I did put these phrase stickers aside thinking I would like to use them, so I'm going to find one for it to go somewhere near each of the clusters. And those as well are from Amy Tangerine. They're the remarks. They say alpha stickers, but there's no alphabet. It's just phrases. But I do like these. They're old and they need to be used up. All right, guys, here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.